Hi, it's Amy at Vending Works, and today I'll be showing you how to change the cassette on an MEI VN 4510 coin changer. Okay, so right now this 4510 has dime, quarter, quarter, nickel. And let's make sure. Yep. But I want this particular coin changer to have this cassette here that has dime, nickel, quarter, dollar. The problem is, if you just switch them out, the programming doesn't change. So the dollar coins still going to go to the cash box, and my nickels are going to go to the dollar tubes. So that's not going to work. We have to reprogram the coin changer for this cassette. Now the way you do that, this cassette here, on the side it'll say what model it is. This one is DAA. Our last cassette was DBA. So the way to program to DAA, hold the yellow button until the red light flashes. Now it's flashing, I hit DAA, and then the light goes out, and at this point it's not going to work. Coins are going to go straight through. So you have to cut power and restart it. And now it should be all good to go to stack dollars. Let's check. Yep, and then the nickels go to B, quarters, and dimes. Now we're all set.